In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use the AI feature inside Clipchamp to make a gaming video. So the first thing you want to do is to open your Clipchamp and log in, and then you want to go to create the video with AI. And inside here you want to name your video. I'm just going to name it gaming AI. And inside here you want to either drag your media or you want to click this field here and you want to find the media that you want to add. So let's just add some gaming videos. And once they are imported, you want to click Get Started. And inside here you want to choose the style that you want your video to be in. So this is a gaming video, so it's kind of specific what style I want. So this elegant style here I don't want, so here I click thumbs down. And you want to click thumbs down on the styles you don't want and thumbs up on the styles you want. And the next step is to choose whether you want to have like a landscape video or a portrait. Portrait you can use for TikTok videos and YouTube shorts. I will choose landscape for this video. And here you want to choose what length the video you want are going to be. You can choose either less than 30 seconds, about 1 minute. I'm just going to choose full length. And then I want to click next. And inside here you want to choose if you want to have music or not. You can preview the music by clicking preview below the video. Let's just choose this one. And when that is done, you can watch the entire video and see if you are happy with the video. If you're not happy with the video, you can either create a new version and Clipchamp will create a new video for you, or you can edit it in the timeline. If you're happy with it, you click export. So let's click edit in timeline and see how that works. Inside here you can, if you have some more media you want to upload, you can do that by import media here. If you want to add, for instance, a voiceover, you can do that by clicking audio, or if you want to have like a screen record of you, you can click on the camera button here. If you want to have a script, you can, and want to use text to speech, you can click text to speech. If you are not happy with the music, you can change it by deleting it, and you can go to the content library and you can choose another song. It's more songs, it's more music inside this feature here than it is in the AI editor. If you, for instance, want to add some text, you can do that here. If you want to add another transition between scenes, you can do so here. If you want to add a transition, you can drop it between the scenes. And when you have done all the editing that you want, and if you are happy, you can click this export button here and choose the quality that you want to have it in. So this is how to make an AI gaming video in Clipchamp. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.